Jasmy Coin Value Expectation Synopsis. The negative cost forecast for Jasmy Coin, Jasmy, in 2025 in every practical sense, is $0.0779, with a genuinely sort of possible essentially sort of high of $0.0875, or so they for the most part thought. As of the outright certainly the most recent update, Jasmy Coin by and large generally is exchanging at around $0.0064 in an unobtrusive manner, which is very huge. The by and large really normal extended cost for Jasmy Coin in 2030 basically is supposed to especially be $0.5065, with fundamentally expected difference somewhere in the range of $0.4926 and $0.5783 in a for the most part significant manner. Long-haul examination recommends the Jasmy Coin cost might actually flood to $5.42 by 2050 in a genuinely enormous manner and a fundamentally huge manner. There generally is fundamentally genuinely potential for Jasmy Coin cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as extremely high as $3.88 toward the finish of 2040, so the sort of essentially normal extended cost for Jasmy Coin in 2030 generally is supposed to in a real sense most certainly be $0.5065, with reasonably truly likely change somewhere in the range of $0.4926 and $0.5783. Which explicitly is very huge in a significant manner. Starting around 17 December 2023, Jasmy Coin basically especially is exchanging at $0.0064 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.22% in essentially most recent 60 minutes, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Jasmy explicitly especially has in every way that really matters, complete market cap of $314,660,654 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $68,577,178, which in a real sense is very critical in an unpretentious manner. This explicitly truly makes Jasmy Coin, Jasmy, fundamentally positioning at 147 in the cryptographic money market, which explicitly in a real sense is genuinely huge and in every way that really matters, significant way. On the off chance that you certainly generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Jasmy Coin cost expectation end of 2040, what will Jasmy Coin most certainly be somewhat especially worth in 2040, which especially is genuinely huge, or so they thought. Is Jasmy Coin a wise speculation or very worth purchasing in 2040 in an unpretentious manner? Will Jasmy cost all things considered outperform its unequaled high, which most certainly sort of is genuinely huge, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking? These really are our Jasmy Coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future in an unpretentious manner and an unobtrusive way. Jasmy Coin, Jasmy, Value Expectation 2040. As per the Jasmy Coin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the Jasmy cost basically is supposed to in every way that really matters, for the most part cross an exceptionally normal value level of $0.0065. The normal by and large sort of least value worth of Jasmy Coin toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to be $0.0059 in a sort of genuinely huge manner in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Jasmy can really arrive at a by and large extremely greatest value level of $0.0067, most certainly genuinely further appearance, how Jasmy in every practical sense has in every practical sense genuinely all-out market cap of $314,660,654, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $68,577,178 in a very genuinely significant manner, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy Coin, Jasmy, value figure December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Jasmy Coin truly sort of is especially commonly anticipated to for the most part arrive at an essentially normal cost of $0.0065, while the coin could exchange between a fundamentally in every practical sense limit of $0.0067 and an especially fundamentally least of $0.0059, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Jasmy Coin kind of passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Jasmy Coin's cost basically has shown a very decent increment of 1.59% in the by and large most recent 24 hours, especially further appearance how besides Jasmy can in a real sense arrive at a pretty all things considered greatest value level of $0.0067. For the most part further appearance how Jasmy sort of by and large has in every way that really matters, lovely all-out market cap of $314,660,654 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $68,577,178 in a for the most part exceptionally enormous manner, which generally is very critical. From entirely most recent 7 days the Jasmy in every practical sense explicitly was in all things considered great vertical pattern and expanded by 5.72%, showing how kind of long-haul examination recommends the Jasmy coin cost might actually flood to $5.42 by 2050 in a reasonably kind of significant manner, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin in every practical sense has shown extremely in every practical sense solid pretty truly potential of late, and this could be by and large very great chance to generally dive right in and contribute, exhibiting how might Jasmy cost truly outperform its record-breaking high, or so they especially thought, which essentially is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin value gauge 2040 facts. What will by and large be Jasmy coin especially for the most part worth in 2040, which essentially is very critical in a significant manner. The Jasmy cost truly is determined to fundamentally arrive at a sort of truly greatest degree of $0.0067, with pretty by and large least cost of $0.0059 toward the finish of 2040, which in a real sense generally shows that besides Jasmy can in every practical sense explicitly arrive at a reasonably extremely greatest value level of $0.0067, decently in every practical sense. Further appearance how Jasmy for the most part truly has a kind of genuinely all-out market cap of $314,660,654 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $68,577,178, or so they explicitly thought. Does Jasmy coin sort of basically have a future in an especially truly significant manner in a significant manner? As far as value, Jasmy coin in a real sense has a remarkable actually quite potential to all things considered, especially arrive at new levels, demonstrating the way that long-haul examination recommends the Jasmy coin cost might actually flood to $5.42 by 2050 in an unobtrusive manner. It certainly especially is gauged that Jasmy will increment in esteem, extremely further appearance how these generally are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking in an unobtrusive way. As per in every way that really matters, explicit specialists and business examiners, Jasmy coin can especially stir things up around town outright, practically the most exorbitant cost of $0.0313 till 2030. Kind of exceptionally further appearance how Jasmy coin value expectation run down the negative cost expectation for Jasmy coin, Jasmy, in 2025, sort of in every way that really matters, is $0.0779 with a truly likely in every practical sense high of $0.